Hey there, guys. Back with Foxbody Shu 5.0 here. I know it's been a long time since I've been able to put out a video, just with a lot of different things going on and everything. But first and foremost, today is Memorial Day. So first I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to all the veterans and of course the veterans' families that have paid the ultimate sacrifice. Is why we go ahead and have this day that we commemorate each year. So it's a huge thing. And again here, wearing a shirt that my wife went ahead and found, and doing a great honor to those that also those veterans. A lot of huge programs out there, guys, that honor and help out the veterans. Please go ahead and make sure you look into them. And go ahead and do your best to support our veterans that have not only went ahead and served and maybe been wounded in service, but also those veterans' families that are families of those that maybe paid the ultimate sacrifice as well. So with that, let's go ahead and get on to the content. Okay, so again, as I said, sorry, it's been quite a while since I've been able to put out some video and everything, but Foxbody Shu 5.0 is going to be coming back and putting out more content this summer now, and we got a couple things here. Not only do we still have the fog lights to go ahead and put into our car, into the Foxbody here, after the headlights was that last video that you went ahead and saw me put out, but I also have a few things that are in a box here from LMR that I'm looking to go ahead and also put in. So let me go ahead and show you guys here. Here's the box from LMR, and I'm going to be showing you some of the things that are within this box here in just a second. Be right back. All right, guys, so the first thing is going to be a new MSD Distributor. Now I already took it out of the box here, but right here is the actual box and the contents that we're gonna go ahead and be putting in. Right there is the new MSD, so that's what we're gonna be working on today, that you guys are gonna go ahead and see us install and get put in. Comes with the brand new TFI module, of course the distributor cap, and the wire hold down as well. Okay, so we got that. Then we also have a new blaster coil as well. I figured since I'm upgrading the ignition, I already have a blaster coil on the car, but I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade that as well, because I already have the 6AL with the MSD blaster coil, but we're going to go ahead and put a new ignition coil in as well. And then just got a couple other good things here that the car has been needing for a while that are broke on it. Door handles, okay, inside door handle covers, so got those. And then also a couple mirror covers as well. So I'll be throwing those in the car as well. I'm not going to make a video on those or include them in this video, but I will be throwing those on as well. Just go ahead and show you guys. Mine are old, they're original. They're cracked, so I'm going to go ahead and be doing that stuff as well. And then I did pick up a set of new Ford plug wires as well. But these I will not be throwing on just yet. I'm actually going to be going down to a guy to go ahead and get some work done. I don't want to put his name out there just yet, but I will be doing a video of that when I'm down there in a few weeks as well. And we're going to be doing a little bit of tuning on the Mustang, and he's going to help me out. He is a former racer that raced Fox bodies all over the country in the NMRA circuit many years ago, and he does a great job. Phenomenal guy. I've been talking with him on and off here in the last year. He and I kind of got reacquainted When I used to work at the local Ford dealership here, I used to reach out to him quite a bit and pick his brain and talk to him. So we're kind of, you know, reconnecting, and he's a great guy. So, so I look forward to bringing you that. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and dive in and get going on today's content. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the look of it before we go ahead and get started here. So what I will be doing first, as if you guys watched, you know, a lot of the other videos on replacing the distributor. So I'm first going to go ahead and take off the cap here, see where our rotor is clocked at, and then mark that position on there. And from there, I'm going to remove the TFI module connector. And then down here at the bottom, I am going to loosen the distributor hold down and then go ahead and take it out. So I'm going to work on that, and then I will be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so again, as I said, I'm not going to show you guys the actual installation process on here. There's many videos out here of installing a distributor, but there you can see I have it fully seated down. That's where mine was clocked at. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and start off with, and we'll just kind of go from there. And then once we get to the tuning and the timing process, of this, then we'll go ahead and go from there. And this is where my TFI module was, the angle where that was sitting. So we'll just keep going from there. All right, I'll be back with you guys. All right, guys, just want to give you a quick update. So distributor is all connected in, okay, or all hooked up. Okay, got the new module over there, all done up. So it's ready to go. So the coil, and got that hooked up and the wire back on it. So now the next step, as you guys know from watching the video and everything, is to go ahead and get the vehicle timed and make sure that's correct. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next, and I will be using a new timing light that I went ahead and I picked up. Okay, this is just a Syntec timing light. But this is actually an upgrade for me. I know it may not be the best thing that you guys might use or recommend out there, but this is going to be an upgrade for me because I can actually go ahead and put the adjustable timing on the back and be able to set that so I can see and get a good idea of where it's running. So that's going to be my next step. Again, I'm not going to show you guys that and everything on camera. You guys know enough. There's enough videos out there of setting your timing and doing all those things, and Brutal does a great job of those as well, of going through. And I probably will go through and do a base idle reset and everything as well, just to go ahead and make sure that everything is running good after this. But gonna set the timing, and then I will go ahead and come back and we'll wrap up this video, guys. See you real soon. Alright guys, Foxbody Shu back with you here. Was able to go ahead and get it fired up and started. Everything seems to be running pretty good from where I went ahead and had it. So you can see almost the original spot here from when I went ahead and had my other distributor on it. The timing set pretty good. Again, everything that you go ahead and you read or you research on, make sure to go ahead and have that rotor pointing at that first plug wire. So other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and just get it as close to timing as I can on it. And still, actually, right now, if you go ahead and you take a look, it'll come in. It is really close to being in timing there. You can see that white mark right there. So really close to being in timing. Or timed up, so shouldn't have to actually go ahead and do too much to it. So other than that, guys, I'll go ahead and join you and we'll wrap this video up here in just a second. Alright guys, hey, I just got back from taking the Mustang on a little ride, and I'm gonna tell you, I don't know if you know, there was a little issue with the OEM distributor or not, but I mean, it was the OEM. There you can see it right there, guys. But it did run a lot better, and I had an IAC whistle before with the other one, and now, right now anyways, unless till, you know, maybe a couple more runs or something and the computer can, you know, dial everything in, but, you know, I took it on a good at least, you know, 20-minute ride or so, and there's no IAC whistle and everything right now when the car got warmed up. So before there was, and the car seems to be running a lot better now. So I don't know, maybe there was a little bit of an issue with the OEM distributor, and it was just starting to, you know, starting to go over the years, because I mean, you know, 30 some years old now. So but anyways, you know, I do recommend, guys, if you know, the MSD distributor. Again, they did come from LMR, but no way am I, you know, sponsored or anything by LMR. That's just who I choose to get a lot of my parts through recommendation of a lot of the friends here in the Mustang community on YouTube. So other than that, I look forward, guys, to putting out a lot more, you know, content here over the summer, and getting back to maybe seeing some of you guys. I did go to a car show up in Birch Run last Saturday. I didn't take the Mustang because it was kind of overcast and rain on and off type day, but I did stop up there and took some pictures of some really nice cars that did make it out, and go ahead and attend there. And I'm also going to talk to you something that my wife and I are kind of scheming over, maybe adding to the Mustang collection here. So that will save that for another video coming up here, guys, you know, soon. So other than that, though, I look forward to seeing you guys again. You know, like, subscribe, make sure you hit that button, and to go ahead and get the latest and greatest when it comes out. Other than that, guys, Foxbody Shu 5.0. Till next time, see ya.